श्रीराम प्रॉपर्टीज मार्च 2020 में चेन्नई से इस कंपनी की हुई शुरुआत और दक्षिण भारत में रियल एस्टेट का कामकाज करने वाली दिग्गज कंपनी है और मिड सेगमेंट और साथ ही साथ अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग, ये दो कैटेगरीज में ज्यादा फोकस है। श्रीराम ग्रुप तो जाना पहचाना है, आप सब लोग जानते ही हैं, उसी का ये भी हिस्सा है। और अब तक दक्षिण भारत के कई बड़े शहरों में रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट्स ये कर चुके हैं और 35 से ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स का पोर्टफोलियो कंपनी के पास है। इशू आया था इस कंपनी का और इशू की जो प्राइस रखी गई थी आईपीओ प्राइस से थोड़ा सा नीचे लिस्ट हुआ था और यहाँ पर 94 रुपए के आसपास लिस्ट हुआ था इशू और 118 रुपए की इशू प्राइस थी। लिस्ट 94 पर हुआ था, 100 रुपए के आसपास अभी है। रेस्पॉन्स क्यूआईबी कैटेगरी में 2 गुना था, एचएनआई 5 गुना, रिटेल 13 गुना हुआ था। इशू साइज थी 600 करोड़ रुपए की। कंपनी के प्रोमोटर मुरली एम साहब हमारे साथ कार्यक्रम में शामिल हो रहे हैं, जो कि चेयरमैन भी है, एमडी भी है, कंपनी के प्रोमोटर भी है। IIM बेंगलुरु से एग्जीक्यूटिव एजुकेशन फास्ट ट्रैक जनरल मैनेजमेंट में आपने डिप्लोमा हासिल किया है। हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल से आपने प्रेसिडेंट मैनेजमेंट का प्रोग्राम किया है। 20 साल से ज्यादा का गहरा अनुभव मुरली सर का है इस पूरे सेक्टर का। मुरली सर, स्वागत है आपका। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सबसे पहले आपकी कंपनी की लिस्टिंग हो चुकी है। रेस्पॉन्स थोड़ा सा कम मिला था कंपैरेटिवली, जिस तरह से रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर का माहौल है आजकल, बड़ा आउटलुक रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर का बढ़िया मान रहे हैं, उसके कंपैरिजन में थोड़ा सा रेस्पॉन्स भी कम था और लिस्टिंग भी थोड़ी सी नीचे हुई। क्या आपको लगता है प्राइसिंग थोड़ी सी एग्रेसिव की, थोड़ा कम प्राइसिंग करते तो शायद रेस्पॉन्स बेहतर होता?
Our fundamentals are very, very strong, and we are in a very niche market where there is a constant demand. As an organization, we have been growing very well. Last 3 years, we have grown with a 45% CAGR, and as an organization, we have built the capacity to grow at least 100% from where we are today. The organization has the potential to grow 100% from where we are today. Hence, we are very, very bullish on the market. Yesterday was one of the bad days for the overall globe. Overall market across the globe, has behaved very, very badly. And as you know that Sensex and Nifty crashed. So it was one of the, bad days for the stock market. But we are focused on our business and our fundamentals. Where there is a demand, there is a constant demand for the next 10 to 12 years time in the sector where we operate. Hence, we are pretty confident that, this will come back to great success.
Okay. मार्केट थोड़ा सा खराब है और जी।
The other aspect is if you look at the comparables, discount NAV, we are doing at about 55%, whereas the other competition is between 165 to 350%. Still, there is a huge potential for the market to pay. See, market also should know. This is the first time we have hit the market in the public. So market also will learn and understand who we are, what our fundamentals are, what are our strengths, what are the potential for growth. I'm sure market will, give a proper response to it.
Right. Murli sir, as you are giving confidence to your investors, you are saying that 100% growth is possible in this financial year itself, or how long it will take to double the revenue and profit for your company?
As an organization, we built the capacity to do about 6 million square feet, 5 to 6 million square feet. We have been doing about 3 to 3.5 million square feet. Hence, as an organization, we have the potential to go to 5 to 6 million square feet. This year, we may not be doing 5 to 6 million square feet as we speak, which is 21, 22. We should be, we are aiming to do about 4 million square foot, which is a jump of about 33% from last year what we have done. Hence, next year, 22-23, there is a potential to grow about another 30-35%. So that's what we are seeing today. There is a great potential. This sector offers huge demand today. There is a huge demand. The branded, trusted, established players like us have got tremendous potential to grow. As an organization, we have built our capacity to scale up. So current capacity is to do about 5-6 million square foot. We are confident that this year we will end up close to 4 million square feet, which is again 33% increase from last year.
Again, this year your company would be into black profitable, sir?
Yeah. Our company will become profitable in year 22. We expect to get, very decent PAT in 22. FY 22. Not only FY 22, FY 22, FY 23, FY 24. There is a clear visibility. As you see, last 3 years, we have sold more than about 10 million square feet of pre-sales. All that gets, accounted in the, most of it is getting accounted in FY 22-23. So all the profits will be seen in the next 2 years' time. FY 22 will become very profitable.
Okay. Sir, your development management fees is rising each and every year. Tell me, what are the plans there you have about in future? Do you think a substantial portion and more contribution to your operating profit is coming from that space?
Yeah, absolutely. See, we have visualized there is a market which is, consolidation which is getting into it. Because of that, there is a huge potential for this development management model. Right from the inception, we have been focusing on asset-light model. We have picked up projects on joint development, joint ventures. And 3.5 years ago, we thought development management model has a great potential to grow. Hence, we carved out a niche team for developing this development management model. So we have got close to about 1/3 of our portfolio in development management model today, and that is likely to grow further and further. As we speak, because of the consolidation, every city today, not more than 10 players today in the market have about close to about 80 to 90% of market share today. Hence, all the landowners or institutions who have got land bank, they have to fold into one of the top 10 developers in the city. Hence, we see a tremendous potential for us to grow. And we have become already leaders in this development management model business. Last 3 years' time, we have established very well. We have got close to 15 plus projects today under construction on development management model, 1/3 of our portfolio in development management. We also started receiving good amount of fees on development management model. So this year also we'll have substantial development management model income.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Murli sir, for taking your time out, and our best wishes post-listing. We hope that your stock performs very well and your company performs much, much better. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Anyone.
ओके तो ये थे मुरली सर जो बताते हुए कंपनी की लिस्टिंग के बारे में श्रीराम प्रॉपर्टीज, और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये बताई कि कैपेसिटी दुगुनी करने की तैयारी में है और रेवेन्यू और मुनाफा भी 2 साल में दुगुना होने की आप उम्मीद कर सकते हैं। यानी कि दमदार परफॉर्मेंस आएगी। और ऐसे में अगर आपको आईपीओ में अलॉटमेंट मिले हैं तो आप एक बार होल्ड कर सकते हैं, जिस तरह का स्ट्रांग गाइडेंस और आउटलुक मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से आता हुआ दिखाए। 118 रुपए की इश्यू प्राइस के सामने 98 रुपए के आसपास ट्रेड करता हुआ बाजार